Welcome back to the channel Auto Land. Today we are diving deep into the all-new 2026 Iron Wheel, a machine built to redefine what it means to ride with style, power, and precision. The Iron Wheel 2026 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of strength and elegance combined. Designed for riders who demand performance without compromising on aesthetics, this bike is a perfect blend of modern engineering and aggressive styling. The first thing that catches your eye is its bold, muscular frame, enhanced with sharp lines and a commanding road presence. The sleek aerodynamics are complemented by a premium paint finish, giving it a look that turns heads wherever it goes. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, from the high-grade alloy wheels to the LED lighting system that ensures visibility and style in equal measure. Under the hood, the 2026 Iron Wheel is powered by a high-performance engine designed to deliver thrilling acceleration and smooth cruising at high speeds. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the open highway, this bike responds instantly to your every command. The advanced suspension system and precision-tuned chassis give you exceptional handling, even on challenging terrain. The braking system is equally impressive, offering powerful stopping capability with advanced ABS technology to ensure safety without sacrificing performance. This makes the Iron Wheel ideal for both casual riders and adrenaline seekers alike. Step onto the seat, and you immediately feel the comfort and control this bike offers. The ergonomics are designed for long rides, with an optimal seating position that reduces fatigue while maintaining perfect control of the machine. The digital instrument cluster is fully modern, giving you all the information you need at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel range, and even ride modes for different conditions. This technology integration makes the 2026 Iron Wheel not only powerful but also smart, adapting to your riding style in real time. The sound of the engine is a symphony for any bike lover's ears, deep, throaty, and commanding, yet refined enough to suit urban riding. The exhaust system has been specially tuned for performance and sound, giving you that iconic motorcycle roar without being overly aggressive. In terms of fuel efficiency, the engineers have made sure the Iron Wheel doesn't compromise too much, giving you decent mileage for its class while maintaining top-tier power output. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Iron Wheel is its customizable options. Riders can choose from a variety of colors, trims, and accessories to truly make the bike their own. From touring add-ons to sport performance upgrades, the Iron Wheel offers flexibility to suit every kind of rider. Its robust build also means it's ready for long-distance adventures, with the durability to withstand different climates and road conditions. Safety has been given special attention, with traction control, ride assist features, and high-visibility lighting all included as standard. This means you can push the bike to its limits while still feeling secure and in control. The Iron Wheel also comes with a new generation smart key system for easy startup and security, adding another layer of convenience to the overall riding experience. In short, the 2026 Iron Wheel is a motorcycle built for those who refuse to blend into the crowd. It combines raw power with modern design, advanced technology, and rider-focused features. Whether you are a daily commuter looking for reliability, a weekend rider seeking thrill, or an adventurer ready to explore far-off roads, this bike promises to deliver on all fronts. Riding the Iron Wheel is more than just transportation, it's about experiencing the open road with unmatched style and confidence. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Iron Wheel. I hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible machine as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments about what you like most about this bike. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.